It is the perfect season for getting things done, not too hot or too cold, which makes it the right time to handle outdoors maintenance as well as complete those indoor touch-ups before your holiday guests arrive. And home expert and host of TV and radio's Housesmarts, Lou Manfredini, is here with five fall fix-ups. How much more alliteration can you give me today?
Well, no, that's it. Well, I'll come up with something if you can. Nice to see you.
It's good to see you too. So you got 5 different products here. So I want to get right to it with the gutter protection here. I know this is a big issue with a lot of the folks that have the old trees.
Oh yeah,
spilling lots of leaves down on the roofs.
And the thing is, you'll notice that there's a lot of ads on TV for different systems out there. Gutter stuff is this insert that's a foam insert that you can put inside your existing gutters. You clean out your existing gutter.
Okay.
This insert goes inside, and what's beautiful about this is that it cuts easily with a utility knife. You stuff it into the gutter. It completely seals the gutter so that mosquitoes can't form in there like in the ponding water because it's completely sealed. And I mean buckets and buckets of water can go into this. Leaves and debris go over the top. The wind blows it away. You can do an entire home on average for about $800 as opposed to thousands.
Yeah.
And with the UV protection on top of it, it lasts for years and years and years. So this is absolutely, when you think about all the people that go to the hospital because of falling off of ladders, this keeps you off of the roof and safe.
And this will take care of all these monsoon and heavy rains we get too. It's not going to spill over. It's not going to go through
all day long.
All right, excellent. Now we have our cars. We want to protect them, right?
So WeatherTech, American-made mats that are laser fitted to fit into your car or truck. There's millions of vehicles out there, and you want to protect it. This particular one that I'm holding right now is one of the most popular. It's a Ford F-150.
Oh yeah,
a set
here in Clay Como.
that fits inside those trucks and just holds, again, buckets of water, mud and slush as winter is coming. This particular bed liner that goes in the back of a Jeep Grand Cherokee, we had a dog on earlier. You want to pop the dog on the back, and this keeps everything clean. What I love about this company is they make really high quality products. You spend all this money on your vehicle and you want to protect it. One of the first things I do when I buy a new car is I order these mats, front and back.
And they're form fit and stamped out to fit that exact model of your car, right?
Like a glove. It's unbelievable and made in the USA.
Okay. Kidda safety products.
Yeah, October, right? We're talking about fire safety all month long, and Kidda is one of the leaders when it comes to the makers of these detectors. There's a brand new UL code that's coming out May of 2020. Kidda has already gone ahead of that, and it has to do with nuisance alarms. This particular TrueSense knows the difference between you burning toast or over boiling pasta and a fire.
This is where I make a joke about my wife cooking, but I'm not going to.
Good call. Good call. I highly recommend that we stick to your bad cooking.
That's right, my bad
But
cooking.
with this Kidda smoke alarm, look, the fact of the matter is you should have one on every living space of your home. You should be testing those batteries twice a year. If the detector is more than 10 years old, replace it. And with this TrueSense alarm, you're going to get the kind of protection. And here's the thing, too. It used to be 10, 15 years ago, we had about 13 minutes to get out of a home in a fire. Now, because of the materials that are made inside of our homes, the furniture, the walls, the window coverings, 3 minutes.
More combustible, so it'll burn faster?
More combustible.
Oh my goodness.
We need alarms, meaning that new code, and Kidda is ahead of the curve.
Excellent. And next up here, we were talking about this before we got on there. This is a common problem around our house. I know we all have the fans in our bathrooms.
Exhaust fans.
And we use them all the time. And what does that suck up into it?
All
besides
the dust
air?
and debris.
And it gets dirty, right?
So Broan is the leader. It's an American company out of Wisconsin, and they, Broan Newtone, they know that the fans just keep running and running. There's like 70 million of these fans, their fans in homes in the U.S. They've developed a grill kit replacement system, and here's the beauty part of this. This grill kit just comes off with a couple springs, and the whole thing comes off. Okay, that's it. This comes off.
Wow.
Now you buy the new one. This universal one is about $8, $9. You pop it back on, clean out the fan with a vacuum cleaner, and you're good to go. Or they have one with an LED light. You can retrofit your existing fan, add a light to it, and get more light. You just unplug the motor here, and then you plug in the light, plug this back into the motor, and you're done. And then they also have a humidity sensing switch. Now this is a mistake.
So it's an auto type thing?
Correct.
Very neat.
Here's what happens. Nobody leaves the fan on long enough. Then they call me up on my radio show and say, I've got all these drips and I've got mildew and mold. What's going on? Well, the thing is, you should let that fan run for a good 10 minutes.
Really?
You turn this on with this humidity sensing switch from Broan. It keeps it on until the humidity level goes down, and automatically shuts the fan off later for you.
Okay.
Easy to install.
Wrapping it up with everybody's got the deck that needs to be stained. Because
I understand you have lots of experience staining the deck.
I put I stained the deck last year, and we sold the house a few months later. So
for those selling a home, maybe you're available to come out and help. This is a company called Penafin out of California, rosewood oil-based deck stain.
Yes.
It is one of the finest. I was at Disney World 20 years ago with my kids. I saw a guy staining the boardwalk, and of course I stop and go, "What are you using?" He said, "Penafin."
Really?
I've been recommending this product forever. They make this amazing cleaner. The rosewood oil base is sustainable. It goes into the wood. You paint it on with a brush, then you wipe it away with a rag. You get this deep down coverage. This blue can is their workhorse. If you have a deck that gets a lot of sun, the red can is the one that has the most UV. You can use this on your fence, you can use this on your porch, you can use this on your deck. The results are amazing.
And we're showing some of the before and after pictures here.
Beautiful.
You can totally tell the difference. And
Looks like your house.
I love it. Oh, let's not get ahead of ourselves. It just looks fantastic when you put a coat of that on there, and it's got that dark, rich color. It really sets it off away from your house and your fence line as well. Well, that might not be the only thing to help sell my house, but yes. All right, well, Lou, thank you very much for being here today and demoing all these products for it. Here's a look again at the brands featured just now and where you can find the products. Gutterstuff.com, WeatherTech.com, Kidda.com, Broen.com, and Penafin.com. Did you catch all those .coms?
I got them.
We got them all.
I got them. It's great. Good stuff.
Thank you.